Boy, I think he's looking pretty good. Welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? But y'all, I got Austin behind the camera here, and came out here making him a leather belt. This is his first belt that I've ever made him, and I wanted him to be out here with me while I was making it. And this leather, what it is just my water buffalo. I believe it's a 9 to 10 ounce water buffalo leather, and he picked that leather out. He liked that, and I'm just about done with it. I've got to punch his holes, and I just got through burnishing the edges on it, and I think it's gonna be a nice belt for him. And right now, I asked if he wanted the brass or the silver nickel buckle or brass buckle. So he decided to go this silver style buckle, and I told him he can always change it out to a different style buckle if he wanted to. So that's what we do. Put some line 24 nickel snaps on it. So let me get these holes marked and punched, and I'll bring y'all back, and when I get it all put together, show you what it looks like. All right, y'all, got this belt finished. There's what it looks like right there. Got to miss the buckle. Like I say, he can take that off and put him a different buckle on if he wants it down the road. I know he'll outgrow this belt, but it turned out real nice. Just a real simple water buffalo belt. It's 1 to 1/2 inches wide, and like I say, about 9 to 10 ounce leather. And all he's got to do now is just try it out and see how he likes it. He don't have no pants on right now, so we can't actually try it out, but see what it looks like with this buckle here. That's what it looks like right there. Like it, Austin?
Mm-hmm.
Well, there you go, son. Hope you like it. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all coming along. Appreciate y'all watching the videos. And as always, friends, my family, yours, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.